All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am putting back my spare wheel, but the reason why is because I was doing a deep cleaning on my 2009 Honda Element. I was getting a bit lazy and I wasn't going to do it because I figured I already have it. And I always do a deep cleaning on these Elements when I get them. But man, I was just not feeling it. And then I developed this problem where it had a leak, and the leak started to flood the passenger side bottom, I guess the front mat, and then all of the floor underneath, and it was really driving me crazy, man. So the leak was coming from right under here, and it was just off the wall because I couldn't figure it out. And I figured, okay, it's maybe the heater core. So I disconnected the heater core. I did a bypass just to see if it would stop leaking, and nope, it still kept leaking. And then I was thinking, all right, maybe it's the AC or something with the AC down there. So I figured I'm gonna start taking it apart. I gotta clean it anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off, and then it'll be more comfortable to work there. A lot of the suggestions say that you have to take all the bottom of the dash and everything to pull even some of the AC components. I figured, you know what, I might as well do it, get it over with, and at least I know that I'll have the room, the seats will be out of the way, and if it drives me crazy doing it, whatever, right? So I started taking it apart, and then I figured out, wait a minute, that's not the problem, because I kept reading different things online, watching other videos, and one of the guys was saying that if you took some air and blew it into the exhaust line for the AC, it's a little line that's right there underneath one of the heat shields, and we blow air in there, it should clear some of the debris and everything. So I did. I basically took about 100 pounds of air and just give it a quick blow, and all this crap came out of it, man. You should have seen it. I mean, everything just flew out, and the thing just started to flow, and that's it. The AC started to basically flow all the water and debris, and this really nasty, like dark looking chocolate water came out, and then that was it. It stopped. But now that I've already taken it apart, I figured, well, I might as well do the deep cleaning. So I just started taking everything out. I'm gonna go ahead and remove some other stuff. I'm doing, a good simple green, and then some I guess interior clean or interior detail, because it was really dirty. Whoever had this vehicle used to transport dogs, and I mean there were like dog hairs everywhere. It almost looked like Chewbacca was in here just hanging out, I guess. But anyway, so what I did do is I took all the interior out, and while I'm in there, I'm gonna go do a quick little upgrade. I bought this kicker sub right there for $5 at a junkyard. I mean, the guy was just getting rid of this one element, and he had a bunch of little parts still left, and it just happened to have it in there, and nobody had taken it. So I offered him $5, and he took it. The other one's the original one that was with the element, but I'm not gonna put that one back. I'm gonna give that one to my brother-in-law. He's got my '05 that I sold to him, and he's gonna take that one. I'm gonna put that one in there, and it should rock, obviously, because I mean it's just a quick upgrade. I don't want any big bass or anything hitting hard, but I figure with the little kicker we'll get some sound out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this sucker in there with the same preamp and everything. If it blows the preamp, then I'll just replace it. And then here it is. That's all the parts that are basically gonna get clean, wiped down. I'm gonna go ahead and do, simple green, some detail, disinfectant, everything, man. Look, you see that right there? That's like an 80s movie, like egg with some alien about to grow. Look at that thing. I'm scared, man. Might start like mutating, and I don't know, jump into my leg, and then it's gonna go in under my skin or something. So then these are the mats, and once again, it looks like Chewbacca was in there, man. Just look at all these hairs. It's like Chewie. Yep, there he is. I mean, that's nasty. Look at that. I know you see it because I mean, it's hard to miss. So I'm gonna wipe these down. I'm gonna take all the like carpet or little pads that I'm gonna wash them, scrub them. I'm gonna clean it really good. So yeah, this is a deep clean. I mean, I'm going deep in this one. I usually do it to all my elements when I buy them, and I'm going to drive them around just because I don't know where it's been. I don't know what people have done to them. So I figure this is a great way to do it. But yes, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the channel. Stay in your element. Y'all be safe out there.